Okay, watch this video for Friday, March 17th. Quiet inside day for the SPY. Had some nice trades today. And I'm just going to go right into the watch list for tomorrow. GoPro. I made like 400 bucks in this thing today. And I'm going to put it back on watch for tomorrow because we had the gap up. We had really nice volume, 20 million shares. Maybe we continue higher tomorrow. With a low risk intraday setup, I'll give it a shot, right? TOPS and all the other shippers, I'm going to show you a couple other shippers, had a huge move today. So I'm just going to look for continuation tomorrow with a proper setup. Remember, I don't hold overnight. So we'll see if we get any kind of setup. Same thing, GLBS. I actually called this one today. After this nice move, I typed in the room that it looked like this. And I said, I typed in the room 560 with a 530 stop. Might work if TOPS holds up, right? Kind of a sympathy play to TOPS. And there's what happened. So the 560 idea, the stop would have been right here at 530. Never looked back and had a huge move. This goes back on watch for tomorrow. See if we get any kind of continuation. And then another ship right through on watch is SINO, which is coming out of a nice base here, nice little volume, maybe a continuation day. If the shippers go, definitely want to watch that one too. You know what? I didn't even look at dry ships today. All right. Well, I did earlier, but all right. GALT, nice looking chart here. Had this rally. Chopped around, failed getting through two, came back, and then today pushed through two nicely and held up well. So I want to watch that for a potential continuation tomorrow. SNGX, lower volume stock, but a handsome chart, right? You got a nice bottoming pattern here, big spike here that was thwarted, then another push to 3, looked like it was going to roll back over again, and then today, right back up. It's worth noting that today it did this on 152,000 shares, so it is a thin stock, but if we push through 3, which it kind of tried to push through here, and again here, and it's sitting right below that. We push through 3 on any kind of volume. This one could make a nice percentage move, lower float stock. So we'll keep our eyes on SNGX. KOOL gapped up yesterday, sold off, then gapped down today. And then if you look at it late in the day, had a nice volume spike. So this one may have something brewing. I'm going to watch that one tomorrow. Lower float stock can move at times. CATB just goes back on watch. Had the pop here, and it's kind of found support. I'll watch that for potential long. DPW, after the gap up on big news yesterday, it popped up to almost $1.80 and then all the way back down, actually flushed below a dollar a little bit. Then today, closing at 94 cents. I don't think this is going to fill the gap. It did have a nice news story, much less volume today. I look for this one to turn back up tomorrow with a proper setup. Maybe I can make some money. NVCN, after this little breakout 2 sessions ago, a couple lower highs kind of flagging there on very little volume. This one might be ready to rip back higher. And that's my entire list. We'll look for gappers to add to the list as well. I'm going to put a link to our free webinar on next Thursday. I'm going to put a link in the description to this video. So get registered for that if you want to join us on our free webinar next Thursday night, 7:30. All right. Have a good evening. Talk to you tomorrow.